They're potentially invasive, and they're showing up right here in Tampa Bay. A certain species of frog, like that one right there, has been discovered in Hillsborough County. Now, these particular frogs are native to West Africa. This is the first report of them ever being found outside that continent, which is pretty amazing.
That's a long distance to invade from. Yeah, as Fox 13's Catherine Hawley reports, the clawed frog has gotten a toehold in the Bay Area.
Researchers surveyed 43 bodies of water here in the Riverview area and found the frogs in more than half. The amphibians have adapted to living part of the year in stormwater runoff ponds like this one.
And then going and digging into the ground, into the mud, or going into a small stream or another pond during the rest of the years.
Non-native species expert Jeff Hill has been part of the team studying these local clawed frogs over the last 5 years. According to the research, the frogs are concentrated across a few square miles in Riverview.
We've pulled tens of thousands of tadpoles out of ponds, hundreds of adults out of ponds.
The tropical clawed frog gets its name thanks to the claws on its back feet. They're sharp but very small.
They'll grab food with their front legs, and they'll use their hind legs to kind of push pieces off of it and to help them brace against it so they can bite a piece off.
How the frogs arrived remains a mystery, but introducing any non-native species can have an impact on our local ecosystems. Scientists are concerned about the tropical clawed frogs outcompeting native frogs for food and spreading through the state.
It has the potential to spread through Central Florida out to the East Coast and into South Florida.
In this published paper from 2017, the frogs were misidentified as another closely related species. Through DNA analysis and micro-CT scans, researchers recently discovered the mistake and are now focused on managing this local breeding group of tropical clawed frogs. Catherine Hawley, Fox 13 News.